In this video, I'm going to show you a free AI video generator that you can use to generate AI videos for free. You can generate motivational videos, stories, history, Bible video, different types of videos for free. So let's get into it. First of all, come to CapCut.com and you click on Try Online. Here, you have to log in or you sign up. I'm going to log in, enter your email and click on Continue. Here, you enter your password. If you already have an account, you click on Sign In. So once you are signed in, you're going to see different tools here. Just come over here, click on AI Tools. Then, you scroll down, click on Free AI Video Maker. Once you click on it, so this is the place where you can be creating videos. Here you're going to see Instant AI Video. You create videos instantly. You're going to see Brainstorm with AI. In case you want to brainstorm on the kind of video you want to create, you're going to see Avatar Video. Match media to script in one click. Then when you scroll down, you're going to see different templates for different kinds of videos. So even if you want to create low poly video, futuristic, you want to create epic fantasy, claymation, different kinds of videos, these are templates you can use. We have story templates, you can see it here, different templates. We have religious templates. So we have facts, we have inspirational, we have news. These are different templates that you can work with. So for this particular AI video creator, you are either working with the templates here, or you are working with Instant AI Video, or you brainstorm. For the avatar video, you are not going to work with avatar video if you want to create videos using this AI. For the avatar video, this is if you want to create AI presenter. But for instant AI video that you can post on YouTube, Facebook and other platform, you are going to work with this. When you click on Try This, it's going to open here. You can see different styles of videos you can create. You can see different styles of video that you can create. Then you can select the aspect ratio. You can as well select the voice. Then you can select the number of minutes. You can create up to 10 minutes video with this. You can simply enter your topic here and it will turn it into a video. Or you can enter your script. You can enter your script here. Now when you enter your script, depending on the number of words your script have, it's going to generate the length of video. But when you enter a topic or a prompt here, you select the voice, select the number of minutes, and it's going to generate video according to the number of minutes. You select the aspect ratio. This is for instant AI video. Also, if you want to use the templates below, you can select any of these. For example, once you tap on it, you just enter what your video is all about, the city of brass. Once you enter what your video is all about, you click on create. It's going to generate a video for you. So let us try one of these templates as an example. Let's say this one. So I will click on it. Then I will ask ChatGPT to give me some viral topics. So here I'm on ChatGPT. I say give me 10 viral topics on Bible story or history facts that will blow your mind, e.g. the city of brass. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me topics. So I'm just going to copy one of these. I'm just going to copy this one, or let me say this one. So I will come back here and I will paste it. I will click on create. So it's going to create the video. It's doing the scripting. After the scripting, it will go to the voiceover, then the media. So this is 20%. You can see the script is completed. It's creating the voiceover. We'll have the media. So you can see everything has been generated. This is our video here, and there is 9 minutes 16 seconds. So let's play it.
Who were the giants in the Bible? The Bible actually talks about several different groups of giants, but the most famous are probably the Nephilim. They're mentioned in
So can you look at this? This is beautiful. So you can click here to replace the scene. Here you can control the voice. This is the voice that is being used. You can change it from here. There are different voices here. If you want to check the script, you can come here, click on script. You can always change the script here. But for us, we actually entered a topic or a title. So if you have a script here, you're going to see it here. You can as well copy all these scripts. These are the scripts that your topic has generated. You can click here to edit more for advanced editing. So these are elements in case you want to change the caption or another thing you want here. The music, when you click on music, you can as well work on the music here. Personally, I will always advise to remove the background music and use your own music, but if you don't mind, you can still use this music. If you want further editing, you just click here. Once you click here, it's going to take you to the editing workspace where you will edit your video for advanced editing features. If you're okay, you can click on export and you can enter your file name, select the format, select the resolution, select the frame, and you click on export. Already it is saved. So let's just give it a name. Let's say Bible Story 1. So this is the name. So if you want to see your media, all you need to do is to go back. Already it has been saved. You can look at it here, it has been saved. So once you return back to this place, you just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you're going to see your works here. You will find all the media. You will find the video that you have generated. You can simply click on it to continue editing. So this is how to use this AI video creator. My advice is that you create as many videos as possible and download it, then you can upload it gradually, one by one, to your platform. And as well, you can as well upload the same video at the same time to Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. One of the platforms will definitely pick up faster while you wait for the order to grow. Also, you can use ChatGPT to get title, thumbnail, keywords, hashtags, description for your video. So I hope this video is helpful to you. All you need to do is to jump in right now and start creating videos and start posting. Do not postpone it or procrastinate. Jump in right now and start creating videos.